Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. In today's class, we will start block 1 about me. So, in today's class, we are going to learn about myself. Let us get started, children. So, aim of today's class is we already know that all of us have different names. Today, we will share more about ourselves with others as we discussed in the earlier classes, children. Today, we are going to learn how to share more details about ourselves with others. So, in order to know about that, let us start with the resource, that is the identity card. So you all have made the identity card, no children? So here you see a identity card of a child. See here, the picture of the child is pasted, and then name Jason Smith, and there is a number given to the card and class, and you can see the date of birth, address, and also the phone number. This is the model ID card. If it is your ID card, in the place of the name, your name will be there, and class, first class, and the section will be there, and also your date of birth, address, and phone number will be phone number of your parents will be there, no children? This you all know. So that is how we will introduce ourselves to others. So these all are the important details which we have to share with others when we want to make them know about ourselves. I hope so. You all know your name, your date of birth, class, section, school in which you are studying, and also your date of birth, address, that is the place where you live, and also both your parents' phone number. Yes, children, let us see now. See here you can see a beautiful picture. You can see a child, happily she is playing with her pet cat. So now she is also like you. How she is introducing herself, let us see, children. See here, I am Nora James. I am 5 years old. My mother is Leela James and my father is Rahul James. I love my parents. And also she says that I have a brother and I have a pet cat. So these are the details she is telling about herself to others. Apart from that, even she is continuing to say about her likes. See here, children, I love music. I also like to draw. I play football. I love to fly kites. And also she says that I live in Mumbai. Now you can connect yourself with Nora James. So same way you all can introduce yourself apart from your details, father's name, mother's name, address and all. Even you can share your likes and dislikes also. Let us see, children, what is given here. You can see all of us have names. Our names usually have two parts, a first name and a surname. We all have special things to talk about ourselves. Nora studies in the first grade. Let's read what she says about herself. That's what we read in the beginning also. So as given here, our name has two parts, no children? Here you see Nora James. Nora is her first name and James is her surname. Like that, most of us have two parts and sometimes only one part also. So that is how we will introduce ourselves to others. These all details about ourselves are very important, so that it is always good to know about ourselves, and anytime you wanted to tell the details, you have to say in such a way how Nora is introducing herself. Hope so you all can do that now. See here, children, when you were in the ID card, there was a place address. Let us see what is the meaning of this word address. Please listen carefully.
Address. A place where we live.
Again I repeat, children.
Address. A place where we live.
Address. This is the key word for today's class. ADDRESS. Even you should know along with the spelling, and the meaning is the place where we live. Where was Nora James living, children? Yeah, same way, Mumbai, no? Same way, you should know the proper address of your place where you are living, the street name, door number and all. So why so, children? So that will help you whenever you want to tell others to drop you some in your home, correct address if you know, it will be easy for them to locate your place. No children, isn't it not important? Yes. So this is how same place you can imagine your ID card, and you can fill all the particulars and you can learn it, children. Now let us see the one small video to understand the importance of knowing about ourselves. See here, you can see my name is unique. Every one of us unique, and our likes, dislikes also changes from one person to another person. Let us see, children.
We have different names. When we talk about ourselves, we can say our name, our parents' names, and where we live. We can also talk about what we do and some special things about us.
Yeah, no, children, that is what you also discussed. We also discussed in the class what you like and what you do in your free time, and even about the pet animals and all. Also, you can add up, children. Now, see, the very important question is which details are written on your identity cards. So, this by now you all know that your name, class, section, school name, parents' name, phone number should be there. Any ID card, these all it should be carried. And also, not only in the ID card, even you all should know to tell these details to anyone. So why so, children? Why is this is important? Yeah, let us see. Our identity card has details about us, such as our name, address, birthday. Why birthday, children? So that anybody will know how many years old you are. Accordingly, they can help you. Father's name, mother's name, and phone number of our parents. And also, it also has details about our school, like the name of a school, class, section, and sometimes even the teacher's name. Now you tell me, children, what will you say if I ask you to talk about yourself? This is what we discussed. Yes, you all know to speak about yourself by now. Yeah, children. See, apart from the name, father's name, mother's name and all, even we can extend learning about ourselves by where we live, proper address, and also the special things what you like to do. So these all you should know about yourself, children, so that you can exchange with your friends the details, and so that you will become very well versed in introducing yourself, and you know all the details about yourself. Now we see, why do you think, children, we have to remember your parents' phone numbers? Yeah, you are right. Anytime you are getting late, or anytime anybody want to drop you, or due to some reason there is a need, you want to inform somebody that you have to call your parents and say something, such times the phone numbers, if you know by heart, it will help. So it's very easy to learn it. No, children, you are very smart, children, and you can learn that, so that it will be helpful in case of necessary times. Yes, no, children. Now let us see what is given in the worksheet. You see, in your workbook, you have the first exercise, that is 1.1, about myself. Fill in the blanks about yourself. My name is, every one of us have our own name, unique name. So please write your name without any spelling mistake. I hope that you all can do that. Next, I look like this. You can draw your face, children. My birthday is on. You should know your birth date also, so that others will know how many years old you are. And your parents' name, and where do you live, and what you like to do. These all already we discussed, so you can definitely, with simple words, spelling words, you can fill this. See the second question, children. Tick the correct answers. We should remember our address. What do you mean by address, children? The place where we live, so that we can reach home if we are lost, share it with all the people we meet, make new friends, invite our friends to our home. Or it is not necessary that you have to tell your address to all the people you meet. In case of necessity only, you have to say. These all instructions your parents also might have given to you. So you discuss with your parents, and then complete this worksheet, children. Just ticking and writing the details. Hope so you can easily complete this, children. Now there are some practice questions in the your textbook only, where the picture we saw, Nora James picture. You can see some practice questions are there. That is also very simple only. See there, fill in the blanks is given. I am, again your name. My birthday is on your birth date and write 3 things about yourself. Write the phone numbers on which you call to talk to your parents, anything you want to inform. Why is it important to remember these numbers? So for this very short way answers you can write in your EVS notebook. So in today's class we were learning about the aim of today's class was, you all know that, again I am making you to remember that we want to share more about ourselves. So more and more details about yourself, knowing and sharing is very important. So after knowing about yourself, you have to complete the worksheet 1.1 and then the practice questions in a simple way you can answer in your rough book or in your EVS notebook. Complete this and be ready for the next class, children. Let us meet in the next class. Bye bye, children.